a person to live and a person to die. A person to live as increasing the living energy, or a person to die to increasing dying energy. Here is living energy is nothing. Here is dying energy is something. So nothing is in inside silence and clear of creation of knowledges and the help to live. And then there is any wrong, all perfect, right, and creation of knowledge. Otherwise, the something is inside is loudly and dirty and dying knowledge and regress and real and wrong is mixed and all the knowledges. So that if a person living inside is silence and clear creation of knowledge, then in the places and then just birds things and the fresh waters and then running down to and the best gardenings in the places a person can create song, poem, and others, so that creation of knowledge is supplied from inside the silence and clear of nothing. Otherwise, inside is loudly dirty, in the place is baggage and dirty and what turbulence all over some son of what smells, son of very bad feelings. In the place, how can create? In the place there is nothing creation of knowledge. No one in inside fully and loudly dirty and poor occupied something, then there is no perfectly coming new creation of knowledge. Old, there is no any truth, but all is wrong and not truth, and all the knowledge is inside a person. Truly, most person has something of a face, so all our peoples do not know, cannot discriminate dead person or living persons. But just inside the silence clean creation of knowledges, here is there is anything, nothing in the place is surviving and located by righteous souls, but occupied all something dirty and sort of vicious smelling waters, and in the place is worry, some wicked, all of bad source, wrong source are all occupied in the places, cannot leave souls. So a soul to survive inside is it needed nothing. In the nothing place, surviving righteous souls. In a something place is getting much more than others, to be that deceiving others. So the worry, all over mind levels, just mind is eager to getting much more than wicked soul. Mind and wicked soul is limitless places. At that place, never ever impossible to growing righteous souls. So with that, righteous souls can surviving nothing over in the silence and clear creation of knowledge. That place this is a living energy. Otherwise, just inside, occupied is all, minds and wicked souls to get much more than others, cheating others, and whatever, and all of son of smell bad, the trash dumping places, garbage places, in the places it never ever can't, impossible, soul surviving. So soul dies, wicked souls. In the places that is dying energies. Most peoples can live, sometimes nothing, sometimes something. But it's some other peoples, each people's some differences. Nothing is higher. Something is higher. It depends on then is nothing is higher. Righteous soul is livings. Something is higher. Nice righteous soul is dead. Instead of righteous souls in the place wicked soul livings. So that to survivings, growings, it means that like a trees and green leaves and powerfully growings, green and trees is all mixed. That is, righteous soul and body livings. Righteous soul, body, this is a living energy. But otherwise, dead trees, even trees, but there is any souls. The same as human beings, or you can see a person surviving, but a person's righteous soul is dying. Then is do not growings, gradually dyings, to the dies. So that I'm concluding then, nothing is the living energy. The living energy is a person inside the silence, creation of knowledges, and just growing knowledges, just creation of knowledges, perfect, real, perfect perfections. But otherwise, something, dead, dying energy, the something inside is loud and dirty, and dying knowledges, regress knowledges. In the mixed is real and, these things. So that called as by all the knowledges is, just nothing is living energy. Something is dying energy. Thank you.